Well, last night I finished up the outside siding, and with that done I was more comfortable getting up on the roof, so I finished the roof. You can see the top roof line there, the red piece, and then also the gable end. I put that on there on the right side and tightened down or finished any missing bolts. And today I've been working on insulation, and I've got the back wall all insulated, and I've got enough siding that I'm going to run that horizontally. So there's a first piece of siding in, and then on the right and the left I'm planning on possible outdoor outdoor access to compartments. So I've kind of stubbed those 2x4s in, and I'm going to cut the material separate for that so that it's easy to get in there and make those compartments when I'm ready to do that. And then I'm going to finish this up with the scrap metals I have, or the scrap sheeting I have, to see if I can't use that board all the way up. Now, some of the joints aren't going to be like the outside. For example, right there I've cut off the lap over joints on that particular board, but this is going to be a couch on this side, and so I'm thinking I can hide that lap. So we're just going to see what I can fit together and use some of these thinner strips that I cut off and finish off this wall, and then I'm going to work well, you'll notice that I put insulation over that window. It's because I have extra insulation, and I'm going to be using this as a storage unit for a little while we move. And so since I had insulation, I just installed that. But that's going to be where the window is. Then I'm going to finish insulation here, and then I haven't done the ceiling yet because I'm afraid it's going to keep falling down on me. And so you might remember that I got some plywood at 70% off at Home Depot, and I think I can cut out the bad pieces. So I'm going to stain those and have those ready to go, so when I put the insulation up, I can quickly install that and be good to go. So it's coming together. Well, this back wall is coming together really nice because we put some extra material in the back. We lost our depth, our 1.5 inch depth, so we only had 1 inch for insulation. Well, the insulation I have is 1.5 inches, so we just went to the table saw and cut these little strips, got a little creative, and installed there. But now we're ready to put the last piece up there, and that back wall will be good to go, ready for paint.